Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming you actually own the iPad Mini 2 being fixed. Check the model on the back or in settings to confirm it is the 7/9-inch iPad Mini 2. Find the serial number or IMEI on the box, receipt, or under settings. Make sure you have the original proof of purchase showing that serial or IMEI clearly. Keep your Apple ID email and password handy. If you bought the device used, contact the seller for proof and removal of activation lock. If the original owner is available, ask them to remove activation lock remotely. They should sign into iCloud.com using their Apple ID and password. From iCloud, choose Find iPhone, select the iPad Mini 2, and choose Remove from Account. They can also erase the device remotely and then sign out of iCloud to clear the lock. After they remove the iPad from their account, restart the device and proceed through the setup screens. This method is if the owner is unreachable, contact Apple support directly for help. Explain that the iPad Mini 2 is locked and that you have the original proof of purchase. Provide the serial number or IMEI, a photo of the device showing the serial, and a clear receipt that matches the serial. Apple will verify ownership and may remove activation lock when verification succeeds. Be ready to provide your government-issued ID if requested. Follow Apple's instructions and allow time for verification and lock removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.